To Jack's Topher's channel. Today we'll be adding a lift kit to the monster car. Is Jack's Topher building
Your host, Aliana Topher.
Take a look at our parts. For the brand new shop, this is the spring that we just put in. Remember to like the video for more videos like this.
You're wondering how the motor is? Here it is.
Alright, when you guys replace your shocks, keep your old ones because they'll have the original bushings in there, the collars. And you can see the factory one would have been way too short, but to fit in that gap there, you need to have the longer collars. Otherwise it's going to be slopping around, or you have to pack it with washers. I just press out the old ones and press them in the new shocks. The bottom, that one fit fine, that's nice and flush.
And don't mind the big mess he made.
Pretty good. I got the off-road design. It's gonna be hard to see. Off-road design, heavy duty rear shackles here. In order to put these in, you need to get the old bushing out of the frame, which was a pain because I didn't want to take out this metal fender and the headers. I did get it out though. And I got the greasable bolts, which are gonna be super nice. Fill that with grease. When you do that, you have to press out the factory bushings out of the rear eyelets and put in Off-Road Designs bushings in the rear because it's a bigger, heavy-duty bolt. The factory bolt is only a 3/8 bolt. I think this is it here. And these are 7/16, I believe. So back was fine. At least this old, it's like I'm almost positive this is a 71 frame and driveline. This front tube is not a 3-inch tube, so everything that I buy, they mail you 3-inch U-bolts, and they're just too big. These are like 2 and I don't know, 2 3/4 probably, and they just fit better. They fit on the axle better. They fit in the stands better. So I just keep reusing them. I'm gonna have to buy new ones, but whatever, I'm not gonna bother with that. And then the front one, that one was straightforward. Just clean it up, grease everything up, put it in. And just remember, don't torque anything until you get it on the ground. After everything seats, then you go through, do your shocks, do all your pivot points, grease everything, and that's how you wrap this up. And then after you put some miles on it, you should go in and re-torque everything. This comes with the new shocks too, so it's a 2-inch lift. Not much because I don't like a lot of wheel gap, but 2-inch should be enough to kind of smooth out the ride a little bit and then keep me off of the bump stops that we put in here. So yeah, not bad. Tomorrow we'll do the other side, and that will tell us if it's even going to be possible to use the crossover steering, which I doubt, but we have to try it.
This video has now come to an end, but if you want to see more, just like and subscribe.